Alright, now let's go ahead and add this infrastructure bits over here. And before that, let me just get rid of this class.cs file which we have here, or class1.cs file, whatever. And in this case, the very first thing which we are going to need is, let's add the dependencies. First of all, what we are going to need is, and let me just quickly copy paste the dependencies over here, and we can simply take the latest ones. And since I am on version 6, so what I can have is, let's say, whatever is latest from 6 version, and that is the thing which I am just going to add here, right? And of course then we are going to need this design as well. And for this design bit as also, let's have something, yeah, now let's click on this plus. Yeah, so this is getting resolved, and we are done with design. We are also going to need this you know tools, SQL Server, and in memory, these all three. So let's go ahead and because this is just for demonstration purpose, actual bits you can see in my actual complete reference of microservice, where I have explained all each and every bit entirely into more detail. Like you have 6 different microservices and how these things are working, basically, like, so you get to see there into more detail. So this is for explaining you guys like how clean architecture works in practice, so that you can understand the gist of the entire problem landscape, and then you can decide on whether to take on this complete reference of microservices, which is divided into 6 cores itself, right? And here also, when I just take this, whether SQL Server is done, let's say tools one. Why it's saying is this already? 1 second, let's go ahead and check this infrastructure dependencies over here. And if I just quickly see the dependencies, like I can, or rather than seeing this, let's see this into, right click edit and CS project. So we have this core design, we also going to need these tools. And let's click on plus, install this. We are also going to need this in memory and SQL Server. So this is the SQL Server one. Let's go ahead and install that as well. And then we are going to need the in-memory package as well. And yeah, so that's the correct one. Let's go ahead and install that. And that's it. So once we have this thing here, right? So if you see here, like, yeah, that is there. Now we have included all the libraries which we are going to need here probably. Let's go ahead and implement that our database context in the next clip itself.